Right, so let me show you how to change the text case in a Google Docs document. So you might want to change from lowercase to uppercase, or from uppercase to lowercase, or any other case like the title case. So what you need to do is select the text whose case you want to change. Once it's selected, you want to go to the format item in the menu bar at the top. So click on format, and then under format, put your mouse over text, and then under text, go to capitalization. And then here you have three options. You have lowercase, uppercase, or title case. All right. So the text is currently in lowercase. So if I choose uppercase, you can see that entire text is converted to uppercase. Now, if it's in uppercase and I want lowercase, same thing, select format, text, capitalization, lowercase. There you go. Okay. Now you might need to also make the first letter of every sentence capital again, because that's going to make everything in lowercase, including the first letter of sentences, which is never the right thing to do in English. So you also have another case called title case. All right, so let's select our text. Let's go back to formats, text, capitalization, title case. So title case basically just makes the first letter of every word capital, and then then the rest of it is now in lowercase. Okay, so that's what you call a title case, mostly used in titles. So that is basically how to change the text case in a Google Docs document. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.